Wow. 1,000 subscribers on GJAMES Associate channel. We say thank you. It's an honor and privilege that you subscribe and you've encouraged us along the way, and we come back to say thank you for helping us to stay true to the vision. By my experience over 2 years, and you know what, we've stayed true to the vision, and this is a presentation of the gifts that we are looking forward to. I made it for us to keep the vision alive, that when we reach 10,000, which now is our target, when we reach 100,000, then YouTube will give us a big gift and presentation. And you know what, I'll come back to present it to the house. And you know what, by clicking and liking this channel and subscribing to this channel, for the past over 2 years, I've been trying to push fund into this channel to bless other lives. But by the time we reach 10,000, by the time we reach 100,000, you know what, this channel will be able to be self-sustained. And you know what, you've blessed me just as I've blessed you and I've blessed the rest of the world. It is very important to me that we all become a channel of blessing to the world, and that is my aspiration in life, and I want you to join in the journey too. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, ensure you click like to this video so that it can go viral, and don't forget to comment, even congratulatory messages. We are welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Let's do it more. From GJAMES Associate channel, Gbenga Olatunji FCA, we have value to life. We have value to your businesses.